Question number 7. A ball of mass 1.5 kg, this mass is given here, strikes a force sensor and bounces. The ball experiences change in velocity of 10 meter per second. Change in velocity delta v is given here. Graph shows the variation in time t of the force F recorded by the sensor. The Ft graph is given over here. What is delta t? You know, area in an Ft graph, what does it give you? If you see F into delta t, what does it give you? This gives you delta p over here, right? Now what is delta p according to us? Delta p is nothing but m delta v, right? So therefore I can equate this m delta v should be equal to this area, which should now be equal to half into, what is this altitude? Altitude is nothing but 100 newtons. 100 Newton multiplied by this one, which is delta t. Delta t, m is already known. What is m? 1.5. 1.5 delta v is 10 is equal to half into 100 into delta t. So therefore 0 and 0 goes away here, and then you have 2 into 1.5 is 3 is equal to 10 times delta t. Our delta t should be equal to 0.3. Okay, delta t is equal to 0.3. The answer is B over here.